The shower is becoming an increasingly important part of daily life, as it provides a way to greet the day in the morning or unwind at the end of a busy day. It's a place to de-stress and relax the mind. That's why the Klas shower enclosure range from Mia Bathrooms has been designed to look clean, minimalist and easy on the eye. Klas is available in 4 practical styles: quadrant, slider, pivot and bifold. The shower door can be used on its own in an alcove, or the Klas side panel can be used for corner installations. With a wide choice of sizes available, Klas can be fitted into many different bathroom designs. All Klas shower enclosures include Clearseal coating. This is a micro-thin invisible layer applied to the glass which repels water and grime particles, making your shower easy to clean. Klas shower doors include magnetic seals, ensuring a watertight enclosure. The glass is toughened for durability and strength. The versatile Klas doors can be rotated to create a left or right hand opening. With a 2 cm adjustment on quadrants and a 4 cm adjustment on all other door designs, Klas showers are simple and easy to fit, creating a solid, firm shower enclosure backed up by a reassuring 10-year guarantee. Mia. Beautiful bathrooms.